Ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ha ka jing trilang bat office jong Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District rengkat bat kiwi kita nak trikam jong sarkar Bhoi District ha ka khat nyo tarik urisau 8,000 arpolai kala Pynlong ya ka jing peli ya ka Integrated Health Campaign ya ka balas dang henin gesngi kita ha ka khat nyo tarik urisau 8,000 arpoar bat ban beteng hadu ar banai kenti ban petkut hadu arpau tarik unopra 8,000 arpolai ha ka baon Pynlong ya kene ke campaign ha ka leng ki jaka jong jela kentup de ya kene ke district kaban kentup ya ki Shillong baper kaban yat lengba ka jing penbej na ki CNRD block lawan ban pli ya kene ke campaign daw ba Meral Bons MLA jong Nongpoh constituency ubalong ha ka juga por chairman jong Health and Advisory Board jong jela ha ka jing lang jong Raja Burma MCS beri additional deputy commissioner ke Bhoi district ke Dr. T Momin ke beri district medical health officer ki doktor nang tagi nong tre jong ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society lembat kiwei banangai mensim ya ki ba nong Shillong ki balwan ban sim jing Sumar layo ya ki jing ruai na ki khon samlah
phun
ni Nongpoh sibun baka Bhoi district ni nasa ajut ko katawi ni district iba intil ko ka personal district ba sarkar peden kadon kejing temu ban ai kejing rap ki thamba ka bade ba kot ka khya aga bade ba pulih puthi aga bade ba ka social welfare ka bade ba kini kejing pam temet beng ai ki lung ki na anggan di sentar welfare mi da jadi kita kenal pada sendiri idon hakan eka program kaba kikimi kikpa hakan juk kejengi mentah kidu tiada dan kalau mending di kendari drugs kalau mending di lanang kiu jong kiba yo HIV positif kalau mending di kerni yang kejeng di pentuan kalau mending di kerni di council di crime against women and children dan sibuk di council apa kah district yang nampak ekran di kiwi di district ni ekran apa Bhoi district. Rising of crime rate next to East Janta, West Janta, West Garbil is kasih dari Bhoi crime rate di Bhoi. Abang ikran ni crime ki comes new. Kalau benda ki peniap priu, kalau benda ki shock adat, kalau benda rape case, kalau benda ketuk ketim kita sibun ki. Abang iwat ikan tenerai. Ki babun hi kita. Balik itu, balik shock priu, balik lupa. Balik ki don ki Bhoi hadu. Mana baburang, kita ni bapor, bapor. Abang iwat punya lagi dah. Kalau benda meladi buat kiat, ni buat drops, ni jinglin juga pun berkom kita. Akan ni jumlah kesalahan tersebut. Jika ni kekam kalau kita mata keskiru, directly, indirectly, kadang. Dengan semua kalau aku boleh, Dr. Cruz pakai tim ngejumpi, I've been there with you since the beginning. Last month we were in Syria. Beautiful program. East Jantan is one of the district where the positivity rate is high, quite high. After the team has went down to the ground, nalalik Syamadan, Syagi Patpa, Syagi Shillong ni salah plan. Nalor itu di bawah ni dengan taban test bagi di positif HIV. Dah balik ni campaign program berkaya. Kita nak lah. Dulu baju kopol, banai awareness, ban cautious, ban penting kena. Bagi nong Shillong gitu ni kim day benang no future.
Today we are present not only in the health department sector, but we can see the line department. Me, I am presenting in DC as an administration, and administration is very, in a way, you have to look forward to help the line department, like health department, to work together. It's now not a day like we can say that it's a technical department only health, be concerned with the issues regarding health, but we're involving all the line department, like you can say, all around us, like we have from industries, we have from the social, education department, we have from, agri, health, like all over world, you can say that line department together we work like any conversion. Nowadays, it's not that, concerned department has got one objective and aim, but it has been converged, and all the department, they keep conversion more, so that the objective and the result, what we want to achieve, the result is we can achieve that. Having said that, things that we have chosen the launching of Yoga in coordination with the district administration, and here we have, let's say health camp. As in a speech by Dr. Eksamin, it's more of an awareness. Right? It's more of an awareness and a health camp. A health camp is like a mela. It's just like you. In this brief short, I want to say in local language, Khasi, no? That's why a health camp of Pynlong Mantasni, Nongpoh, you. But when you get taking one would come, people get jor, people get dog, people get dog, marba, megorama. The health camp will enjoy. A doctor, they will not businessman. Long day, long different faculty of more set of doctors, specialists. People are in the dentist. People are in the doctor. If you jump on how long to can belong different compartment. So honey will help them to then lot select the type of doctor for corporate do. Come up with you, people tell you, what the doctor will non de doctor, let him there. Come so he never people piniat to be doctor piniat, let him there. Come so he you what the mila relative. No, the new program are not been shy of around. So we tampak long a program to help nilai campaign means awareness plus testing. Free testing. So you can go for advanced diagnosis through long and specialist. Tamba, can administration you pay after you've been tested. Suppose anything you need help, if you come then what is the next step? Then every health issue has got socio-economic implication.